going to... Alright. SuperFriends, welcome to Times Square. Building the stage and the lights for the... Oh, hi.
Are you filming?
Oh, I'm actually live. Film, oops.
Oh, nice.
You got me, hi.
What's your, are you on Instagram or
We are on
YouTube?
YouTube, SuperFriends NYC.
We are just playing with you.
Are you from here?
Sorry?
Are you from here?
No, we are from Dallas.
From where?
Dallas?
Oh, Dallas, Texas. Well, not in Dallas anymore.
It's very fun in New York.
Really? How's the snow? Yeah? Especially when it's fresh snow, it's beautiful.
It's really good. You should show this thing.
I know. But better check out Central Park tomorrow. Bye.
Bye. What's
There
your
are-
YouTube channel?
SuperFriends NYC. Thank you, girl. Namaste. Really good. Yep, building the stage. Wow. Now this is behind the scenes before the biggest night in the planet. Right here. Today is the 27th, and yes, they are getting ready already. Are you going to be open on New Year's Eve? Wow, bless you. How's business on New Year's Eve? The best? The busiest? Do you need a pass to get here? Do you need a pass? You have a pass? Oh, great. Well, Happy New Year. If I don't see you, I'll be here. Oh, hello.
Oh shit, what's up, brother?
How are you?
Go, do you heard? And you got the blue iPhone, blue my favorite color.
Yeah, we do. Yes, of course. I'm ready. Hey, I think I know you. Do I know you?
Oh, maybe.
Can you remove your shirt, please?
My he said shirt.
Your shirt, not that. Are you the one who's always? Because there's this guy who's always shirtless.
Oh
It's
no,
not you.
that guy. Not that guy.
Dang.
I know which guy you're talking about.
But we don't mind. You take it off.
It's too cold. For
You know that guy, right?
Yes,
It's
I know
not
that guy.
you.
He was at
Well,
the Rose.
what's your name?
Tariq.
Teddy Fernando.
Yes. How you doing,
Happy
Fernando?
New Year.
Happy New Year.
Alright. Thank you. Hey. So behind the scenes, SuperFriends. Hey brother, where do they film? Oh. Oh, the snow is falling gently. Right? Yes, I would like to go to Central Park tomorrow. No, I feel like I'm going to be arrested if I cross, right? So, oh, we have 300, really? Oh, I want to see that. Right. Ooh, I need to be in front of that. It is fun to watch that. Let's see. No, they're waiting to. When did you start the preparation? Yesterday? Oh, already? Where was I? I did not get the memo. Oh yeah, well, last week I saw some like that, yeah. But today is almost like in full bloom.
Oh yeah, well today, usually the day after Christmas is when it's.
Oh, okay,
everybody's
gotcha.
here.
Yeah. I was busy drinking last night. Yeah, so you restart after Christmas. Yeah, I thought it was quite early, but yeah, of course, the biggest night in New York. Yeah. You have to really get ready. Make sure everything is going to work. But thank you so much for the information.
Have a good one.
Yeah. Woo. But tonight they need to. I think they need an extra hand because of this inclement weather. Hello, Franco. Hello, everyone.
Hi.
Merry Christmas.
Merry Christmas.
Why are we still here?
What happened?
Why are we still here? Look at that. Where? Yeah.
I mean, yeah, it's very nice today.
It is nice, but where's everyone now?
Everyone's gone. Everybody's
Right,
gone.
right.
But still, we're here.
Right, no, I got off work and I said, oh, let me come to Times Square.
Nice.
Right? Everyone's getting ready. But how was your Christmas?
Sorry?
How was Christmas?
It was great. Amazing.
Right? Yeah, mine too. Bye. National. Oh. Hi, sorry. Uy. Photo shoot. Hi. Oh, smile, kuya.
You work here or what?
I live here.
Oh, you live here?
Yeah. Where are you visiting from?
I'm live here also.
Oh, really?
Yeah.
Oh, why are you here at this time?
I love snow.
Hi. Is he filming us? Hi. Welcome to Times Square. I didn't look at that Filipino. I do? Oh, Sawadi. Sawadi ka. My name is Fernando.
Fernando.
Fernando, your name?
It's Pocky.
Hi. It's hard to pronounce that name.
Yeah,
But
Pocky.
Pocky, where do you live?
I live in Queens.
Oh, me in Brooklyn.
I live in Brooklyn.
Really?
In Church Avenue.
Where?
Church Avenue.
Oh, Church Avenue. I know that.
Yeah, you know that, right?
But I lived before that.
Okay.
Prospect Park.
Okay.
Yeah.
Nice
So
to
why
meet
you? Huh?
Yeah.
What are you doing at 3 o'clock in the morning?
Because I just went for dinner. Our
Oh,
dinner.
wow, late dinner.
Yeah.
Where did you-
McDonald's.
McDonald's. What's so special?
Yeah.
What did you have?
Fish Mac burger.
Which meal? Meal number what?
Mac burger for
Mac-
fish. Yeah.
Oh, dinner in Times Square. Wow, special.
Yeah.
Yeah, you with him?
Yeah.
Oh my God, are you a couple?
No, it's my sister.
Oh, sister.
Yeah.
Hi, sister. Hi, how are you? How was your McDonald's? Not pad thai.
Not Thai. Oh, you know Thai.
Yeah, of
food.
course, of course. I
Okay.
was in Thailand last April.
Do you
Was
like
it last April? Yeah.
Good,
Yeah, of
good,
course
good,
I love it.
good,
But
good.
very hot, just
Ah.
like the Philippines.
Okay.
Yeah. What is your name, sister? Lily. I like that. That's easy to remember.
Yeah, so
Lily.
basic, right?
Lily. My name is Fernando. Lily.
Nice to meet
Is that really your name? It is 2:52. Oh, by the way, I'm wearing, yes, winter boots, waterproof, and thick socks, thermal pants, a long sleeve button-down shirt, a hoodie, and my coat, and heated gloves. What else? What else? Parsa, super shout out. Hi. Oi, Lily? Are you Lily? Lily? Are you Lily? Oh, what happened?
my friend.
Where's the other one? Oh, there he is.
Yeah.
Oh my God. Hi. I don't know what happened to the other one. I recognize you, but you're a different guy. What is your name?
Jeff?
Jeff, and you're Thai?
Yes.
Hi, Jeff.
Hi.
I like that name, Jeff. Easy to remember. Where are you heading to now?
Getting back home now.
Oh, in Queens.
Yeah.
Where in Queens?
Queens.
Where in Queens do you live?
Amherst.
Elmer's. Yeah, a lot of Filipinos there.
Oh, right.
Yeah. Well, Elmer's is like a melting pot. Everybody's there.
Every type.
A lot of Thai in
Yeah, a lot of Thai,
Queens.
Yeah.
I don't see a lot of Thai actually.
Really?
Yeah.
No,
Where can I
always
find
Thai.
them?
Maybe
Wait,
some application.
I've seen more Thai restaurants than Thai people.
Exactly. Thai people living around there.
Everywhere I look, Thai restaurants, Siam restaurant, Bangkok restaurant.
Yeah.
But
Most
Thai,
of the people live in there, but we are working in Manhattan,
Yeah.
Brooklyn, something like that.
but in Queens, right? In Queens, you can see a lot of that. Is there a little Thai?
Sorry?
Is there a Little Thai?
Little Thai, yeah.
Where? Little Siam. In Queens?
In
I
Queens.
like Queens. A lot of restaurants, cheap restaurants.
Not too much.
I'm going to tell you where to go. Well, thank you so much, Jeff.
Alright, let's see here.
Bye. What is your English name?
Okay.
I love your umbrella.
Thank you so much.
Yeah, and can you see the top? The face, where's the face? Smiley face.
This one?
The other side. No, turn, yeah, slowly. Yeah, more, no, more. No, there. Very pretty umbrella. How much did you pay for that?
My friend gave it to me.
Oh, that looks like more than $20. Because I only buy like $3 worth of umbrella.
Thank you so much.
And then after I use them, I discard them.
Okay.
Bye everyone. Sawadee ka.
Sawadee ka.
Let's get back. Choo, yeah. I'm trying to avoid Alicia Keys. Yeah, Alicia Keys and I aren't good friends. We're not in good terms. Oh, I don't hear Mariah no more. Too bad. Aww. Mariah Carey. That song just reached its 20th week at #1. Wow. Hi. Uy, $2. Hi. Yeah, just reached. Hi. Where are you from? ¿Qué? Ecuador. Viva Ecuador. ¿Quieres what is snow in español? What is in español? Snow in español. Snow in español.
Nieve.
Nueva. Nueve? Nueva?
Never.
Nieva. You like nieva?
Yeah, I love
Very nice. Yay. Hey. Yeah, I'm sorry. Let's go back to Mariah Carey. 20th week at #1. The most week any song has ever spent at #1. Non-consecutive, but still fantastic feat. Right? By now, I should be able to speak Spanish. Right? Maybe that should be my New Year's resolution, to learn to converse in Spanish. By now, speak Spanish, converse in Spanish, alright? Maybe argue in Spanish. Ha! Hello! Oh, hi! Yeah, argue in Spanish. Where is everyone watching from, Super Friends? Excuse me? Is Bryant Park open? So the snowstorm isn't as bad as they say. We are going to go to Bryant Park. I know it is closed, but we're going there. We have time, it's 3 o'clock in the morning. I know, but hi, staff. Right. Look at this gentleman, like clearing the street, the sidewalk. Yeah. Oh, what are we having? Hot dog? How's the hot dog? How's the hot dog?
Show them the glizzy.
Yeah.
On a scale of 1 to 10.
Yes. Okay.
How would you rate this glizzy?
First, bite again. Let me see. Bite. Let me see. No, let me see the hot dog. Let me see the hot dog, please. Please, I need it for my viewers. How would you rate it? Is it from a scale of 1 to 5? 1 to 5?
No.
Scale of 1 to 10.
Scale 1 to 10? How would you rate this glizzy?
Don't be shy. Oh, camera shy. baby boy. Hi. Uh-oh.